we have this one. Solve minus 7 plus minus 5. So we have solution like this. I have minus 7 like this, plus I have minus 5 like this. First of all, I'll open this bracket. I'll say plus times minus. Can you see it? Plus times minus will give me minus. So I have like this. Like this. Is it clear? Aha. So this will give me something like this. Alright, so what do? I will say that I'm owing, okay, pay attention so that you understand this one this time around. I'm owing 7 naira. Instead of getting, I'm also borrowing. When you have minus in between, it is not minus that's an equation or an expression. It means that you are borrowing more in addition to what you have borrowed before. Is it clear? You are borrowing more. This simply means that you are owing a bank 7 naira or $7, whatever. Then now you have need for $5 again. You go back to the bank and say, give me additional $5. I'll pay you people later. Remember, you were owing 7 before. Now you are borrowing more. Is it clear? That means that your debt will do what? Will increase. Is it clear? You are owing and you are borrowing more. You didn't receive. If it's plus, it means that you received. This one, you are borrowing more. Your debt will do what? Increase. So if you are owing $7 and you are borrowing additional $5, you will now be owing what? You'll be owing $12. Can you see that? That means that your debt should be what? Increasing. All right. So that is how it can be solved. Subtraction of negative numbers, just like we just did addition of negative numbers. Follow me. Let me show you how it can be solved. All right. So we have subtraction of negative numbers taken away. Let me solve with some examples. We have example 1 like this. Example 1. We have this one. Solve. You have minus 3. Then you are subtracting. Maybe you are subtracting 15 from it. Can you see that? Minus 3 minus this. Remember, I said in an expression or equation, anytime you have something like this, negative starting an expression, it means that you are owing. Is it clear? If it's minus 7, you are owing 7. Is it clear? Aha. So this one means that you are owing what? $3. That is meaning of this minus 3. It means that you are owing $3. Can you see it? You have like this. You are owing $3. Okay. This minus means that you don't have need for money. So you come and be requesting to borrow what? More. Is it clear? You are owing 3. You are borrowing additional what? 15. That is meaning of this. You are borrowing. If it's plus, that means that you will get. You just got this, which will be used to service the loan you have here. But this minus means that you are borrowing additional 1. Can you see it? So if you have minus 3, it means that you are owing 3 already. So minus 15 again means that you are borrowing additional 1. So your debt will increase to what? You have minus what? 18. So your debt will increase to 18 because you are owing 3. Then you came back and borrowed what? 15 again. So your debt will be what? You have minus 15. So that's how it can be what? Solved. All right. Let's solve another example. We have example 2. All right. When you have something like this, how do we solve this? We have this. All right. When you have something like this, we have 4 minus what? 7. I'll bring it down here. I have 4 minus 7. When you look carefully here, you notice that I don't have much space here. So let me continue up here. I'll bring it up here. I have 4 minus 7. So you notice that this is positive. That means you have this. You have what? $4. Then now you are borrowing what? You have minus 7. When you have something like this, this is a kind of a different ball game because this is positive. Is it clear? So anytime you have something like this, look at what you are going to do. When you have bigger number being subtracted from what? Smaller number. Bigger number being subtracted from what? Smaller number. For example, when you have 2 minus 20, 15 minus what? 17. You are subtracting bigger number from what? Smaller number. What you do is that you will interchange it like this. Just pay attention. What you do is that as long as this is bigger than this, just interchange it and do like this, which is, I believe, that's what you are used to. Can you see? Interchange it and do like this. But anything you get as your answer, in front of it put minus sign. Is it clear? In front of it put what? Minus sign. Like this place now, you interchange it, you will do this. This will give us 3. So that means that 4 minus this will give us what? Minus 3. If you have 4 here, it should be minus 4. If you have 5 here, it should be what? Minus 5. So that's how it can be solved. Let us solve the third example. All right, example 3 is similar to this example 2. I just decided to use it so that I'll solve it again. If you are getting confused here, you will not get it very okay here. All right, you have 7 minus what? 20. You are taking away 20 from what? 7. And 20 is bigger than this. I said here, anytime you have something like this, interchange it, do your normal subtraction. Anything you get, put minus in front of it. That will give you the answer. So when you say 20 minus 7, it will give us what? 13. Automatically, it means that 7 minus 20 is equals to what? Minus 13. Can you see it? Compare this and this. You notice that it will now become what? Clear to you. All right, so that is how this can be solved. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get educated, because there we have a lot of videos that you need to watch and get inspired and get educated. Bye.